Hello everybody, this is me, Anya. And this is me, and I'm a new YouTuber. And today we're going to be doing makeup on some slime. Because I said so. So let's get on with the video. Can't really move that far because wall in the way. So first of all, ignore my shirt top thing I was painting the other day. Doesn't come off. So first of all, this is James. He's a very good fellow of my life. He's going to be just there. He's going to be part of the video for a minute. Two. So we're going to be copying his face. So you get a bit of slime. I've got a lot, but it's fine. That's how people do it, though. So get some slime, you flatten it out into a circle, so it looks like a face. And you can get some scissors. And then you cut out the face, a circle or rectangle if you have a rectangle face. But you know, general people have circle faces. Oh no. See, mine has like these two things in the middle, so you need to fold it over. Oh, that was a big pop, wasn't it? Yes, it was me. Right, so you've got your perfectly shaped circle here. It looks a lot like my face. Okay, yeah, see? Yep, so you get this. And then you get your makeup brush. Get your makeup brushes. No, sorry, James. I'll just move you out the way, you're quite annoying now. There we go. So, you get this, and then get a makeup brush, do this one. I need my sponge. Lost my sponge, guys. Just pause for a second. Ouch. It's very tragical. I've lost my sponge. I need my sponge. Okay, well, great. So guys, we can't find a sponge. You need a sponge to do this, but I don't have a sponge at the moment. Wait. I've lost my sponge. I need my sponge. Well, if you don't have a sponge, you just use a rubber. So, you get your makeup foundation, whatever this is called, and then you squirt it on you and you do a tiny bit. There we go. Just like that. Bit too much slime. Might take a bit out. And then you get your thing, just blend it in. I think I put a bit too much on, guys. Yes, it's blending all in. See? So, if you want to do any other colour, like, you know, the purple bits are just the highlights in the general body skin. So I've got that as well. It's very, very good, guys. So this is my thing here. We have here. Can't see. Right, and then we're going to get our bronzer. bronze. No, concealer. Then you get your concealer. Hang on guys, I've just done something really wrong. You need to draw eyes as well. So you're going to get a Sharpie. I hope I don't ruin this. Okay, that's good. Got some lovely blue, sexy eyes. And then you get black for the lips. Right, black. Let's do pink, because I don't know what colours the lips are. Okay, there we go. That's our face. Voila. And then you need to get your concealer. You put it underneath the eye. Oopsie daisy. Then you get your rubber and you just dab it everywhere. It's gonna be the best. And then you get your bronzer. I don't want to use this brush because then it will get ruined because it's so wet. So I'm just going to use my finger. I'm going to use my finger. It needs to look tanned, you see. If anyone wants makeup done by me, just ask me. I can do everyone's makeup, you know. And if you just want to give me some tips. That is our bronzer. That is amazing. Right, so this face is called Carolina. If any noise in the background, I'm terribly sorry. It's my brother and all my family in the house. Obviously, I don't live alone. And then you get your flicks. Hang on. You need mascara and just get my mascara out. And you also need this, guys. You need some this. I'm gonna use my finger again because I don't really want to get a brush bit ruined. Actually no, this one's fine. There we go, that is limited edition. And then you get your flicks, and then you go flick. This isn't really black because I lost the lid like ages ago, and it's, you see, not really working. It doesn't even work. Just a bit, but you know. And then you get your mascara. This is gonna be the best. Oh my god, this looks amazing, guys. You have to see this. This is just amazing. Guys, I forgot a nose. I just need to draw in the nose. There we go, there's your nose. And then lipstick. 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 Do I even have any? I have this gloss, lip gloss, whatever it is called. Oh yeah. And then if you want, you can add some blusher. I'm just quickly going to use this brush. Just brush it off. Oh no. That is the finishing thing. So I won't show you it guys because this is going to be amazing. I've ever seen in your life. So let me pick it up. Oh my god guys, I've got hair. Let me just draw on hair. Guys, don't look. You need hair. You have to have hair. Because if you don't have hair, then it won't work. I'm just gonna quickly just add on some hair. It's gonna be like pink hair, even though this is brown pen. But you know, and we're gonna get some hair there as well. So this is the finishing piece of Carolina. Ta-da! Looks a lot like me, doesn't it? And then when you finish, you see, your amazing finishing pizza, then you have to mix it all together to see what it makes. So 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna do one of these satisfying videos where they cut the slime. Yes, baby, I've got it right now. So Carolina had an accident here. She just got run over by a car or something. Just got, and then we're gonna mix it all together. Oh guys, it's not really sticking together anymore. Let's do the other side, mix it together. Hands. This is a makeup tutorial, by the way, just to let you know. So at the end of the video, but you know. Yeah, that is Carolina. Just got run over a car. Sorry. So, if you want to make it more satisfying, then just do this. Ow, I cut my finger off. Oh my god. Guys, I cut my finger off. So my thumb's actually gone. Jokes. So then, after this, you do nail varnish, which will be coming up. Bye. Hope you like and subscribe. Ooh. Not eating it. I'm not that gross. And then, thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment.